Alright, so if you guys can help me out, pretty much this is the 8-speed Dodge Charger 2014 SE model with the optional 8-speed transmission. Pretty much, I keep hearing this fucking clicking sound and it's fucking annoying the shit out of me. It's like a rattle. In a nutshell, it sounds like there's something loose, like a bolt or something. Like if it's hitting something against the metal down here. See if you can see it. See? Right there. So you see a little metal ring? At first, I thought it was that touching the bottom part because the bottom part of that rubbery part has also metal. So I figured, maybe it's touching the metal right there. And, it's rattling. So I lifted this up, held it with my hand, put my hand under there. And it still made the noise. So then I went over here on the same, this is what I did. So hopefully you guys can see this. So, where it at? Okay, so pretty much I lifted it up like so, and it still made the noise, but the noise keeps coming around this general area right here. Oh, I don't know, it's like right here, but it's not that. I already lifted it. I held it the whole time. Took this whole thing apart. Clearly still not working. Fucking sucks. So if anyone work for Dodge or anything, please give me some help, because this is already getting frustrating. It sounds like something's hitting here, but I checked this side, the opposite side, and same thing. I even removed the whole shifter. So I don't know. I'm gonna put a brief clip real quick right now to see how it sounds. So pretty much, as you guys can see, I've literally taken everything apart in this car. There's no loose nuts. I've literally gone at the bottom twice, all the way. So you can see all the way back. I've gone all the way there. Have not seen anything at all. See? So I don't know what the hell that clicking noise is. It's annoying. If any of you know what it is, please let me know. I've put the phone everywhere, whether it's been here, here, even up here to the dashboard, and the noise comes literally right there, like right around this little, you can say like little 5-inch square inch area. So I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's under the car, up in the wells, or where the firewall's at, I guess, or not the firewall, the heat shield is at the bottom of the transmission. But it sounds just so loud here, and on the outside you don't hear nothing. So if any of you guys knows what it is or ran across it, please let me know. It would be a very big help. Thank you guys. Peace.